Morning folks, it is currently 5:30 a.m. here in Honolulu, and yes, I'm up early. We have about a 33-hour layover here. So we got here yesterday at around 2:30 or something like that, and then we have about a 33-hour layover here in Honolulu. It is currently 5:30 in the morning. I slept so early yesterday for me to be able to actually wake up this early today, as I'm going to be hiking Diamond Head. I haven't been back there in a while, so I guess this is just a perfect layover for it. Anyway, I just need my coffee. We'll head downstairs and walk all the way to Diamond Head and then walk up the crater as well. So yeah, I just thought of taking you along with me for a nice hike up Diamond Head. I'm on my way down. I'm gonna walk all the way to the hotel, freshen up, and get some breakfast.